Hello, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about preventative maintenance for commercial roofing 101. There's really 7 questions here to want to get down real quick, so let's begin. The first thing is, why do building owners even sign up for preventative maintenance? The first thing is to protect assets. You have a grocery store. You can't have any water leaking on food. It'll contaminate it. You have a warehouse where you're storing other people's assets. You can't get any water on that. And we've worked with companies that have sensitive machinery. One client makes medical devices. You can't have water leaking on those machines because they'll defect them and ruin the machinery, and just can't you can't have water raining on sensitive material like that. So that's why it's very imperative for someone to sign up for preventive maintenance. How much does it cost? It costs roughly 5 to 9 cents per square foot. A lot of variables with cost, location, how far away you are from the contractor, how many trees you have near your location, branches damage membrane, leaves clog up drains and gutters. So it just causes more work for the contractor. And then how large is the roof? Will it take a contractor, an hour to walk your roof and give you a report, or will it take a day or two because your roof's 100,000 square foot? So a big difference in cost depending on those variables. Third thing is, what consequences are there if you don't have a maintenance plan? Well, it could void your warranty. Think of it kind of as your car. You get a new car, it has a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Well, you don't change the oil in 30,000 miles and the engine blows up. Do you think that's going to be covered under the warranty? Definitely not. Commercial roofing is no different. You got to do certain things. You got to clean out your gutters. You got to make sure water's cleaned out. They can drain off your roof properly. A couple other things. So if you don't have a maintenance plan, it could void your warranty. Any manufacturers out there, they require at least one service call per year. And another thing is, you won't be prepared for the next season. The big thing is between fall to winter. If you have even just a little bit of lost adhesion, in the fall, well, water can get in there in the next rainfall. One, the winter, it freezes, thaws, freezes, and it just creates an opening that gets wider and wider and wider. More water gets in the insulation, you know, just creates problems right there. And then once you get there into the fall, you have this huge opening in there. You got to do a huge, expensive repair. So really, the goal of maintenance is just identifying small repairs, getting them done right now, so you can save yourself, a big, expensive project in the future. What does a contractor actually do on a maintenance call? Visual inspection, cleaning drain covers and gutters, debris removal, doing small repairs. They can give you quotes on larger repairs if they can't do them that day. They can give you quotes on roof restoration or complete tear off and replacement if it's at that point. Computerized drawings. All those things are included when you get a contracting roof for a maintenance call. Can you do the maintenance yourself? Yep, you can. Couple pitfalls, is your personnel trained on fall protection? Huge safety risk for any employee to have one of their employees go up on their roof. What would happen if something happened to them? And then, are they trained on, roofing issues? Are they going to be able to spot seams that have lost adhesion? Are they going to be able to recognize fasteners that have backed out? So yeah, they can see if a drain is clogged or whatnot, but there's a bunch of other things. Is coating that needs to be caulked. There's a bunch of little things that people that are on roofs every single day would recognize that the average person might not. The next thing is, do you need a maintenance plan to keep your warranty active? Yes, you do. You need at least one service maintenance call every single year. Every single year. And then, what's the cost of doing the maintenance for 10 years versus doing nothing at all? This is kind of the bread and butter of the whole thing. Please click on the link in the description. There's a full blog post, but it has a chart, and it goes through year 1 through year 10. Doing maintenance twice a year, it costs X amount after 10 years. Now, doing maintenance obviously costs nothing, but what happens in year 11? What's the condition of that roof like when you've done maintenance the entire time versus not? And what's the cost to get the roof, performing as it should be? Do you have to rip it all off? Can you just do restoration? The big difference in square footage, and you'll see why doing preventative maintenance, is a preferred, cost-effective long-term play. That's it for today. Hope you took away one thing new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.